What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and I am trying to bang out this content for you guys so you guys have videos while I am out of pocket. And today we're going to be fixing that mess right there. You see that mirror? See how it's all wavy and messed up? It is functional. I mean, I can see what's going on, but it looks like I'm high every time I look in that mirror. Well, I picked up a brand new set of glass via Team Chevrolet. Major shout out to them. They are probably one of the best Chevy dealers in Las Vegas. Just saying, they always take care of me every time I bring this damn thing in, and I can't really complain. So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to do a very quick video. It should be very straightforward. It's pretty much, we tilt this mirror all the way forward like so, and then we just pop it out and then pop the new glass in. So let's get out and get to fucking with it, I think. All right, so you can see whoever did the repair did a decent cutout, but you can see there where the broken glass is behind it. You see how it's hidden right there? So they got one of those stickums. See how it moves? So basically, you're supposed to be able to just pull on this a little bit, and it's supposed to snap off those tabs. Oh, there's one. I see we got one. We got two. Hold on. It's just like that. Once you get those three tabs, the rest of the mirror, do you see that? Should come off. Now, you don't want it, you got to be careful not to break it, but there it is. See, I got the mirror off, and you can see, I mean, it is functional. I can still use it, and it looks like there may be some housing damage in here. I'll get this straight so we're ready to lock in the new one. Looks like the housing might have a, yeah, that might be why it's loose like that, huh? Well, there you go. And there's no screw right here, so I can see that's gone, and there's no screw right here. I see a screw there, but there's one missing here too. All right, well, that explains a lot. It does. So, alrighty. Well, we have our new mirror, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take it out and we're gonna snap the new one in, and this should be a very straightforward video, and this should be done. All right, we got the new mirror here. All right, and it says objects in mirror are losing. All right. So there you go. You see that? You got the new tabs there. Now it looks like, oh, it does have the wires right here for the heated mirror. Look at that. Boom. Nice. So those weren't even hooked up. I don't know what's up with these. I see some electrical tape. So somebody's Mickey Mouse this thing before. That's probably why this was. It still worked though. The tilting mechanism and everything worked. All right. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to plug this in and we'll come back. All right. You can see I got her all plugged in now. And now it's literally about just moving this over the side, right? And getting these tabs lined up and then snapping her into place. And that's really it, guys. It's really simple, but it also tells me that GM expects a lot of these to break. All right, so these are the tabs. You see this right here? One here, one here, one here, and you can see the little tabs there. It should be self-explanatory on how this thing snaps in. So we'll try to get it lined up and snap her in. Come on. Let me find out they gave me the wrong mirror. That would be hilarious. Not. There she goes. Just got to be a little aggressive with it. And look at that. That looks so much better than this piece of shit that they had in there. Look at that. She's all fixed. I'll keep this for a rainy day, maybe. Maybe I'll hang this on the wall as like a memento of what this truck was for when it gets sold. And you can see, like, right here where it was damaged and the little scuff right there. But she is still, I will say this, it is still a little loose right here, so I might look into this mechanism to see if I can tighten that up. But everything else in the housing and everything sits right, so. And like I said, the mirror does, it will, what do you call it? Tilt and do all that stuff like it's supposed to. Can't beat that. Chevy rewards points for the win. Free mirror. Got that replaced, and we're good to go. Now, before we go, look how much nicer that is, man. And let me just show you. The mirror works, it tilts. So there was no issues with the motor. There it is, brand new mirror, all nice and installed. Now that should pretty much solve all the cosmetic issues with this Silverado. Now if you look close, see the gap right there, how the mirror is in there right, but the housing. So I'm gonna have to look at that. If I can tighten that housing up, I'll do it. See the gap right there? See how it's not, like it's kind of like leaning on the mirror? But yeah, we'll get it right. We are definitely getting there. Anyways, quick video for you. I told you we're gonna get some bonus videos in between walkarounds. And I wanted everything that I repair on this truck or do on this truck, I want you guys to be able to see. And when I get back, I'll have to address the tire pressure sensor again. I don't know what the hell's going on with that, and we'll address the coolant leak. But there you have it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I truly appreciate it. Thank you guys very much for watching. That was a pretty straightforward and simple video, and hopefully if you break your mirror on your Silverado, it will help you replace yours. Pretty cheap, 40-something bucks at the dealer. You have a corporate account like me, I think it's like 29 and some change. And if you have Chevy reward points, it's free. So there you have it. See you guys on the next one. Peace. Whoopee!